Hi everyone, thanks for watching the videos. Today I will show you how to install Active Directory. Okay. Let's me launch VirtualBox. Okay. These are the virtual machines which we created. Now let me start Active Directory site server. Okay, it is loading now. These pop-ups will come. You can directly click on close button, not required. Here you need to select the language. Okay, click on next to select each and everything like font as well. Click on install option. Here we need to select. First one is like only like we can use only command prompt on PowerShell. Okay, it is not required. Just I'm using the graphical mode. Okay, click on next. Accept the license. Click on next. Custom installation. Click on next. Okay. Now installation is started. It will take some time to install. In between, it will restart as well. Virtual machine also it will like it will restart. No need to worry anything. Meanwhile, I will pause the video. I will be back. Okay. Now installation is completed. Now we need to do settings. Okay. Here I'm giving the password. Okay. You need to click Control plus Alt plus Delete. Cannot directly click on keyboard. You need to go to Input, then Keyboard. Click on here. If you directly click on keyboard, it will take it as a like a local lap device. If you need to click on like virtual machine, you need to go to Input, Keyboard, here. Enter the password. We given only 1 GB. That's why it is taking so much time to load. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Now we need to do like changing the host name and turn off the firewalls, and we need to do changing network adapter settings. We'll cover under this video. Okay. Go to the local server. Change the computer name. Click on change. Here you need to, I'm giving AD server. Okay. Click on OK. Click on OK. Click on cancel. Here it will ask for reboot. If you are going to reboot also, now also you can give the reboot now. I'm going to reboot later, and I'm going to configure remaining settings as well. After that, I will do the restart. I'm clicking on restart later. After that, I'm going to turn off the firewalls. In production, firewalls should be always enabled. For that, like firewall team, they will allow the ports, whatever the ports required, basic ports 8443 and the remaining like SQL ports as well. Like those ports, firewall team, they will enable, they will allow. Okay. For now, in on lab, I'm turn offing directly firewalls. Okay, domain firewalls. Private network also I'm turning off. Public network also I'm turning off the firewalls. Okay, private network also. Okay. Okay, status got changed. Now I'm going to change that IP adapter settings. Then need to click on Ethernet here. Okay. Then go to the properties. Okay, uncheck IPv6. Then need to double click on IPv4. Okay, select the second radio button. Select the IP address. You can give any IP address. Giving 10.10.1. Then press tab button on keyboard. Then leave it. Next tab. Subnet mask you need to keep same as, no need to change anything. Then after that we need to give here DNS server IP as well. Giving the same IP as DNS server as well. Click on OK. Click on OK. Adapter settings are configured now. Here is showing as your IP address as well. Then after that, we need to install VirtualBox, some like drivers you need to install. For that, go to devices, insert guest here, like click on that. After some time, you will be able to see like here, this one like VirtualBox. Then you need to install these drivers, like then only you can able to like view the share folders as well. Whatever the things are there, you can able to view that share folders. Okay, I'm clicking on next, next, next. Install. Okay, I'm rebooting now. Thanks for watching the video. Next video, I will show you next configurations on Active Directory. Thanks for watching videos. Bye.